Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to share your Google Calendar with another person. So in order for you to do this, you could just simply go to My Calendars over here on the left side of the screen and just simply select the three dots over here on the calendar that you have and go for settings and sharing on the drop down. Now guys, from here, just simply scroll down and you will have here add people and groups. And after that, just simply provide the email of the person that you want to share the Google Calendar with. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and provide our permission for him or her. So you will have here multiple options. You could go for make changes and manage sharing, make changes to events. So this will be pretty much depending on your own personal preference. And just simply select send, and after that an email will be sent to that person and they have to accept it in order for them to access your Google Calendar. And you will have an option as well to get the shareable link, and you can just simply copy the link over here and just simply message them in any messaging platform and provide the link to them, and when they click the link they should be able to access your calendar. There you go, see ya.